Hi, I'm Bret. I'm the in-situ supervisor here at Reekie Machining, and I started with Reekie's at 2023. Well, as a kid I was into cars, anything mechanical, engines, so it made sense to me to go straight to mechanical engineering, Glasgow. Looking for a new job, and I was looking around and wanting to find someone that suited me. I saw the advert online and it looked really interesting with the whole range of work that they get involved in, sorts of places that they work, the type of work they do was really interesting to me. From there, this was my first job straight out of uni and it's been great. I started as a project engineer for Reekie Machining straight out of uni, and I spent about a year doing that. I was speaking with David and it really excited me, the idea I could take on a new challenge within Reekie's and grow my skill set and develop into a more leadership role, and that really excited me. So I moved across here to the supervisor position for the in-situ team. My role involves a whole range of things. No day's the same. It can involve anything from doing a little bit of engineering work, managing teams, a range of project management as well. It's not just renewables, not just oil and gas, a whole package, and you get to experience little bits of these industries. The broad range is a thing that really excites me. Another thing that I like is the ability to just be hands-on in this industry. It's such small projects everywhere. You get to get really involved in those projects, managing those projects, delivering for the customer. So I really enjoy working at Reekie's because you get out what you put in and you're given the freedom to make the most of your role and your skill set. Responsibility put on you is really great and it's really satisfying. The environment working here is very busy, but in with that there's plenty of development opportunities, there's good support from management, and yeah, it's a really exciting, fast-moving place. Some of the opportunities I've had here working, early on it was great to get straight out to site and experience what these jobs are on the front line really, off in the North Sea on wind farm projects, but also back here you get to experience a whole range of machine development. It's very fast moving. We develop lots of bespoke machines for a whole range of customers, and because of that, no one job is the same as another one. So that really lets you expand your skill set in designing and building machines very rapidly here and testing them. So I'm involved in the management of that. But the whole wide range of machines and different applications that we put these CNC machines in is really interesting. I'm really excited to be here at Reekie's because we're really pushing for growth, and that's obviously a fantastic thing for my career. I want to be involved in that and I want to help add to it and be a key part of the team here at Reekie's. With our development here at Reekie's, we're taking on more and more work, bolting, more custom CNC jobs, and that offers really good opportunities to develop my skill set as well as help the team build their skill sets. So that's really exciting for me.